Hey everyone, today I'm here with a quick tutorial. I wanted to share this easy crochet twist style I just did. So this is the hair I used. I got this 20-inch hair from my local beauty supply store for $4.99 a pack. Of course, with crochet, it comes with a loop at one end and then it's twisted all the way down to the other end. For my braid pattern, for the most part, I cornrowed my hair going straight back, except for the sides. For the 3 side braids, I have them going upwards, and I did that because it looks a lot more realistic for the twist to be placed in the direction that the hair would actually go, and this is especially important if you want to pull the hair up, like for a half up, half down look, for instance. I merged some of the braids together into larger braids, so you won't need as many twists in the back because you don't want to pack too many in. And then I took the ends of my cornrows, I braided them all together, and then I sewed that braid down so everything was nice and flat. Now to install these is extremely simple. Just take a crochet hook like this and make sure the latch is open. Slide the open hook underneath your cornrow, attach the looped end of the twist onto the hook, then close the latch and slide the twist underneath to the other side of the cornrow. Open the latch and move that twist down, then taking the end of the twist, you're going to wrap that around the hook. Close the latch again and thread the end of the twist through the loop of the twist and gently pull to tighten and secure. So I actually like to start in the back and work my way to the front because that's the easiest way for me. And I went ahead and did that same technique in the back of my head. Now as far as placement, as I go along, what I do is I feel where the last twist was placed and then I move my finger up a little and that's where I'll slide in the hook. In the back, I'm not placing these super close together because I don't want it to get too bulky. So I'm leaving a bit of a gap between the twists, and this style is so full that everything will be covered in the end, so you don't need to worry about that. Every once in a while, I like to take a pause and check and see if everything is looking okay. And then once I get to the front, that's when I'll start installing the twists closer together so I can really cover up the cornrows. Once the twists are all in, I'm going through and snipping off the little flyaways and, random stray hairs and just clean it all up. Then I'm taking some edge control to get my edges in order. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I ended up using 5.5 packs of the crochet hair, and to do this look, it took me a little over an hour and a half to braid and sew down my hair, and then another hour to install the twist. So from start to finish, this took me about 2.5 hours to do, but I was also filming, so in real time it would have definitely taken me even less time than that. So yeah, not bad at all. I'm really happy with the ease and the look of it and all the different ways I can style it. Nice little protective do I got going on here. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch up with you soon on my next one. Bye!